Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I remain Awolesi Gideon and this is the Crypto Watch. Today we're going to be talking about how to use Naira to buy Zloty by using cryptocurrency as an intermediary. I'm going to show you how you can use Naira to buy crypto and then use your crypto to buy Zloty in Poland right here. No more Zloty scarcity, no more running helter-skelter looking for Zloty. You can get Zloty easily by using the Binance exchange, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. Now, the first thing, of course, when you come on Binance exchange, if you're conversant with the exchange, is knowing how to, buy crypto either with card deposits or with P2p. P2p means you peer-to-peer. You transfer your Naira to someone that's on the platform, and in exchange, you get crypto, you get USD, you get USDT. So now once you've gotten USDT or Bitcoin on the platform, you can sell that Bitcoin or USDT for Zloty, and I'll show you how to do it. Now I already made deposits on Binance. I already have the USDT on Binance, so I'm going to go directly into the process of swapping it from USDT to Zloty without stress. So the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to come down here to P2p Trading. So when you go to the P2p Trading, that's where you will find different kind of orders, different kind of services that is being offered on the P2p payment method that is being offered on the P2p platform on the Binance exchange. So there are a lot of payment options ranging from bank transfer, PayPal, Payoneer, Pay, like so many exchange methods, exchange gateways on the Binance platform. Now we're here on the P2p exchange page. I'm going to explain to you how this works. Normally I would use a mobile phone, but for to make it clear and to make it easy to understand, I'm going to use the desktop application to show you how the P2p platform works. So from here you'll be able to use your USDT, which you got from selling Naira, to buy Zloty. Now this is the buy and sell button. When this is showing green, it means that you want to buy whatever currency that's here. The currency that is here is USD. You're saying you want to buy USD with USDT. You're saying you want to buy USD with USD. But when you do this, you're saying that you have USD. I want to sell you have USDT and you want to sell the USDT for US dollars. So the payment methods here, if you check, you see Zelle, ATM, Skrill, so many payment methods on the platform. There are so many there. Anyone that you want to use, it's available. Now for those that want to buy Zloty, you already have your USDT on hand, it's already in the platform. All you have to do is to click here and click on ZL. You click on PLN. PLN is the Polish Zloty. When you click on it, then you'll be able to see orders in Zloty. So these orders in Zloty are showing you the people that have Zloty and they want to buy your USDT. So now this order is saying that he's going to buy your Zloty for 1 USDT that you sell to him. He's going to pay you 4 Zloty. Now we're going to do the calculation for you to be able to know the exact rate at which you're buying and selling this currency. Here is saying the limits available. This is saying that he has only $48 worth of Zloty available to sell to you. That is 195 Zloty, which is from. So, and it's saying he's buying from 40 to 195. So if you don't have up to 40 Zloty, you cannot trade with this guy. But if you have more than 195 Zloty as well, you cannot trade with him. So he's only buying between 40 and 195 Zloty. This 195 Zloty is equivalent to 48 US dollars. 48 US dollars. So now I'm going to show you how to calculate how the rate at which you're buying. First thing we do is we come here, then we click on calculator. Hold on. So this is the calculator here. So we'll go back to the exchange. Now we're here. So if I say I want to sell USDT, I want us to be able to calculate exactly how much the current rate is, because right now on some WhatsApp groups the rate is between 130 to 140, 120. The actual rate usually is supposed to not be more than 90 or 100, but because of inflation and scarcity of the zloty in the exchange rate for naira, it has made things much more complicated. So right now I have 1,073 USDT on my account. Let's assume I want to sell 1,073. I want to sell 48 because I cannot sell more than 48 to this guy. I will receive 195. For me to get the exact rate is this. So if 48 USDT is 195, if 48 USDT will give me 195 zloty, how exactly will I know the rate in naira? It's pretty simple. All you have to do is this. Right now the current rate for naira is 565 naira. 565 naira, you multiply it times 48. 565 naira times 40, that's 27,120 naira. So 27,120 naira is giving how many zloty? Is giving 195 zloty. So what you just do is this: 27,100 divided by 195 will give you 139 naira. So what the rate for this that this guy is selling his zloty is 139 naira. He's selling his zloty for 139 naira per zloty. This is how you calculate the current rate of zloty on the black market. Actually, if you want to do it directly now, you just do zloty p is not PLN or what, PLN to naira is 103 naira. So you see the actual rate is 103 naira, while it is being sold on the black market between 139 naira and 140 naira. So now that you've done that, all you just have to just do is click on set your payment method. You can either set that right now this guy is saying his payment method is Blick, so he's going to pay you via Blick. He's going to send you, you're going to request for a code from him and he's going to send to you, and it will allow you to transfer funds from his account to your account. It's pretty simple, it's straightforward. This is how you can use naira to get zloty. If you want, for those that don't know how to use naira to get USDT, all you just have to do is come here and you do MGN naira. So what you're going to do is you're going to sell naira for USDT. So you're going to use your naira to buy USDT. Sorry, you're going to use your naira to buy USDT. So you have to do is just come here to the buy part. So this guy right now is saying that he's buying. Let's go here. So this guy is saying he's buying between 1,000 naira and 78,000 naira. So if you have your USDT, if you have naira, you just click on buy USDT, and then it will take you to this page. You're saying that you're going to buy all his USDT. That's 78,000 naira. You have 78,000 naira to buy from him. So when you click on buy USDT, it will open a new page, and then you will transfer the naira from your Nigerian bank account to his Nigerian bank account. Once that is done, he will release the USDT to you. Then you now come here and you change to zloty, that is PLN, and then you switch to sell. You sell your USDT for zloty and they send to your bank account straight. It's actually straightforward. You just come here, the zloty you bought, the USDT you bought from selling your naira, you come over here and click on sell USDT, and you get your zloty in your account easily. So these are the payment methods. This guy is paying by Blick, this guy is paying via Millennium Bank Transfer, Blick, PKO Bank, ING, Revolut, different ways of paying, so many ways of paying. So it's up to you depending on what you want, depending on how you're going to get it. You can just come on here and buy zloty on Binance and trade with your cryptocurrency. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow, share. Any questions you have, I'm ready to answer. I'm always here 24/7. Do not forget to tell your friends about it. Do not forget to comment so that you can participate in our weekly giveaway of 100 USDT on our platform. It's a random giveaway that occurs on our platform every week. So if you comment, if you share, if you like this video, and if you click that subscribe button, do not forget to turn on the notifications. If you do all of that, you will be eligible to be part of the raffle giveaway that holds on our platform every week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay cool. Peace out.